Our team works really hard to go that extra distance and give everyone an experience they'll want to share. We're so thankful for this great review that makes all of our efforts worthwhile. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think that we're the right business for you. So why wait? Call us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.